So today I'm at 3 Trebartha Close. It's in Callington and it's been extended. Our vendors have extended. What you can see behind me here is an extension, and they've got this marvellous kitchen. They've opened it up to what was the separate dining room is now all one lovely room. Created a utility room as well, which is all light and airy because of lots of windows. And then there's 4 bedrooms upstairs, a nice living room, we've got a little study as well, downstairs loo. 2 of the bedrooms are en suite, lovely garden, parking for at least 3 cars on the drive. And if you'd like to find out more, watch the video and book to view yourself.